1, 2, 3, go!
Hello everyone, I'm Anshika Verma and welcome to Ace Tech Expo 2024.
ये इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर से कहीं पे भी आप इसको लगा सकते हैं।
Tylo is basically a tile fixing chemicals from JK Cement.
Yeah, this is just one piece and in the world.
ये एक एशिया का लीडिंग ट्रेड फेयर एग्जीबिशन है फॉर बिल्डिंग मटेरियल, आर्किटेक्ट एंड आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन। ये एक बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है एज अ ब्रांड आपको डिसीजन मेकर को दिखाने के लिए फॉर आर्किटेक्चरल इंडस्ट्री। आप टिकट्स ले सकते हैं डिजिटली भी एंड या मैनुअली भी, बट डिजिटली आपके लिए बेस्ट रहेगा। वहाँ पे प्राइस रेंज रहेंगी 500 to 1000, डिपेंड्स ऑन द डे। यहाँ पे ब्रांड है विजीनॉक्स। विजीनॉक्स को जाना जाता है उनके स्टील डिकॉर से। आप देख सकते हो बाहर यहाँ पे काफ़ी इनक्रेडिबल स्टील डिकॉर्स हैं जो यूज़ होते हैं फर्निशिंग में, साइड टेबल्स में। एंड ये विजीनॉक्स स्टील डेकोर के बेस्ट पीसेस हैं जो बाहर शोकेस कर रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हो इसमें आपको कलर कॉन्ट्रास्ट भी मिलेगा, गोल्डन है, सिल्वरिश है एंड कितना ग्लॉसी फिनिश है। एंड ये देखो आप यहाँ पे जिसमें डिफरेंट लेटर्स के हैं, आप चाहे तो उसे कस्टमाइज़ भी करा सकते हो और इनके साइजेस रहेंगे। इनका साइज़ आप कस्टमाइज़ करा सकते हो, स्मॉल में भी आते हैं, मिनीचर्स में भी आते हैं, बिग एंड वेरी बिग ऑल्सो।
I am Rana Pratap Singh, Vice President, JK Cement Limited, looking after many products along with the texture division. ये जैसे ट्रेविटिनो है, ये आपकी जितने भी हमारे टेक्सचर्स दिख रहे हैं, ये इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर से कहीं पे भी आप इसको लगा सकते हैं। और इसमें आप देखेंगे तो जिस तरीके की हमारी वेल्वेटिनो है,
जिस तरह की ये फिनिश है
जी जी,
तो पीओपी के ऊपर ही आएगी।
पीओपी को प्राइमर करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर आप सीधे वॉल पे भी करना चाह रहे हैं तो वॉल की आपकी प्लास्टर जो सरफेस है वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए। तो ये प्रोडक्ट और जितनी लाइफ प्लास्टर्स करेगी उसी के हिसाब से इसकी लाइफ चलेगी।
JK Tylo. Tylo is basically a tile fixing chemicals from JK Cement. It is a white cement range. From this you can get any kind of tiles anywhere you can fix with our help of chemicals. So if I talk about Tylo, we have 5 different types of Tylo adhesive, starting from the type 1 to till type 5 we have adhesive. Recently we have launched called 999. 999 is a pure adhesive that can be fixed with the help of any challenging surface. You talk about glass, wall, mirror, anywhere if you want to fix the tiles, we have a 999.
Hello sir,
Hello, hi.
how are you?
I'm good.
May I know your name?
My name is Raghav.
What is your brand all about?
So Atomberg is India's #1 BLDC fan manufacturer. So we are primarily into 3 categories. One is fans, and in that we have ceiling fan, table, pedestal, wall and exhaust fans. And we also have smart locks and mixer grinders that we are recently introducing. And now going ahead, we will also have multiple different products coming in. So we want to be a multi-brand, multi-category brand in Indian market. And right now we are the #1 in the premium ceiling fans.
As your fan as a best seller, we all know. So what is the USP of it?
So firstly, the whole basis of the product was energy efficiency. But along with energy efficiency, our products are also having multiple different good designs. You can have a look here. There are multiple new launches that we have. They are much unique compared to what is available in the market.
So these are automatic ones.
Yes, so we have an entire range of smart fans which can be operated through remote control. It can be operated through a mobile app, and you can also operate it through voice control.
Wow, that's so great. Thank you so much for telling us about the product. वॉल स्ट्रीट्स के पास उनके हैंड क्राफ्टेड आइटम्स भी हैं, जैसे आप ये देख सकते हो, ये रॉड से बनाया गया है, ये वाला एल्यूमिनियम का बनाया गया है। एंड इनके जो प्राइस रेंजेस रहते हैं, इसका स्क्वायर फीट है 1550 एंड इनकी प्राइस रेंज डिपेंड करती है उनके साइजेस पे और उनकी क्वालिटी पे। अब मैं आपको आगे लेके चलती हूँ, जैसे ये वाला है, ये भी बहुत हैंडमेड है, ये आयरन का है, इसमें मेटल भी है और जिंक की फॉर्मेशन भी है। एंड देन उसके बाद आप देखोगे ये सिर्फ प्योर मेटल है, इस पर जो लेयरिंग की गई है वो गोल्ड की गई है। आप लेयरिंग अपने हिसाब से चूज़ भी कर सकते हैं। मैंने आपको कुछ वालिया स्टील क्राफ्ट के इनक्रेडिबल पीसेस दिखाए हैं, अब मैं आपको वहाँ के शैंडलियर्स दिखाऊंगी। ये उनके ब्यूटीफुल शैंडलियर्स हैं, आप इसमें देख सकते हो वाइट एंड ग्लॉसी इफेक्ट आपको देखने को मिलेगा। और इसमें कलर्स भी हैं, जैसे रेड है, ग्रीन की डिटेलिंग की गई है एंड उस पर वाइट की लाइनिंग भी दी गई है। आप चाहे तो उसको कस्टमाइज़ करा सकते हैं, मल्टीक्रोम कलर्स भी होते हैं इसमें अवेलेबल, उनसे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और उनकी वेबसाइट आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी। और ये यहाँ का बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स थे। RSN जाना जाते हैं उनके इम्पोर्टेड मार्बल्स के लिए एंड उनकी क्वालिटी एंड एलिगेंस के लिए। जैसे आप ये देख सकते हैं उनका लेटेस्ट लॉन्च है, इसमें कितनी एलिगेंटली वर्क किया गया है एंड ये वाइट मार्बल है जिसमें ग्रे की स्ट्रिपिंग दी गई है। अगर आप उनका प्रोडक्ट लेना चाहें तो उनकी वेबसाइट विजिट कर सकते हैं। So hello sir.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
So I'm Raja Ramesh, and I am the product. I had the product division for Wipro Lighting and decorative lighting.
What product you guys are showcasing here today? What are the new launches?
So we have launched a lot of products recently. You know, we have been launching downlights which can be operated with remote also, and this is a range of smart touch switches which can be operated with mobile and also with Alexa. Okay, so you can see, like, you know, we can create a lot of scenes wherein you can turn up all the switches.
Oh, that's so great.
Right.
You switch it on and switch it off.
Exactly.
And
So-
can you please show us?
And these are the lights which can be operated with remote also, and also with mobile and with Alexa. Okay, I can dim the lights, I can change the color depending on the moods, and I can change the scenes. Okay, I can turn the lights off. Everything I can do it on with remote itself. Okay.
And what are these?
So these are our complete range of products. So Wipro is probably the only brand who has a complete range of wireless automation solutions,
Yes.
unlike any other brand. So this is a security camera. We have security doorbell there, and we also do have smart plug and smart air blaster along with a lot of other products. And we are the market leaders in terms of smart accessories and smart lights.
What are these new launches?
So this is Celestia, which is our latest premium switches that we have launched. These are completely, you know, bezel-less, and you don't have any external plate. Like you could say, you know, it's complete switch. And we do have it in multiple surfaces and multiple finishes. This is complete metal. It's like complete aluminum.
Oh, this also has glossy and matte.
Yes. And it's one of the industry first, wherein you have the switch, complete switch in glass, which is one of the industry first. And we do have a complete range of switches in this. Okay, starting with lighting dimmer, then we also do have fan dimming, and we do have calling bell and everything. Okay, generally what happens is any customer would generally want to kind of hide the switches, because, like, you know, switches is not something they want to show off.
Yes.
These actually are designed in such a way that they would act like a statement pieces for the customer and also to the end client basically also.
So you guys have multicolor ones.
Exactly.
What is your website if anyone wants to buy a product?
So if anyone wants to buy a product, we have different websites. One for lighting, which is wiproconsumerlighting.com, and we also do have another website for Northwest, which is northwest.com basically.
Okay, thank you so much for telling
Thank you so
about
much.
that. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I hope you're having fun at Happy's Ace Tech booth.
I'm having a lot of fun. May I know your name?
My name is Aishwarya Parihar. and I am the territory manager for the Delhi NCR region for surfaces and water solutions vertical.
What are these products?
So ma'am, basically over here we have a surface called Decton from Cosentino, Spain. This is a porcelain material for your exterior facading, your flooring and all your interior wall cladding and etc. Over here we have a wall of Terra. This is Hafele's in-house quartz range. This is also used for your kitchen countertops, your bathroom vanities, your wardrobe vanities. You get a different color shades palette is there. Along this with comes the 20 mm thickness as well. As you can see, we have launched some new colors. And these are very beautiful matte and gloss finish colors that you get.
And these are customizable?
Yeah, you can easily customize them to make your counters, you make your dining tables, make your coffee tables, etc. Whatever interior you want to have, you can easily have this with this tools.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Hello sir,
Hi,
how are you?
good.
May I know your name?
My name is Rajiv Raghavan. I am heading architecture hardware and glass fittings. This is our furniture fitting range. These are the new brass furniture handles.
All these are brass material?
It's all made of brass and you will get it in all different finishes and different sizes.
And all different colors also?
Different
As you can
finishes.
see,
Yeah.
black one.
Black. This is polished brass, rose gold. Other side, there are different finishes available. And if you have a specific design also, we can do it also. In specific.
Customizable is
Customization also is possible.
ऐसे आप देख सकते हैं, you can see there's a golden shiny one, the matte one is
Matte
there
finish.
and the black matte is there.
As per their design or concept, we can also give different finishes or sizes. There are, you can see some of these are very big ones as
These
per the
are the
design.
glossy
Yes.
ones.
We have different sizes design. Because we have concept, we are going with the different finishes for different products. But if you want to match everything, like handles, furniture handles and everything, so you can have the same one.
Okay, then please tell us about this one also. Products?
These are designer brass handles. These are made of brass and you can get it in different finishes. So we have at least 5 finishes right now. So, and if customer needs something with a special finish design, if a designer want to design some handles, we can do that.
Like this one is the glossy one.
Glossy ones. This is rose gold. This is matte brass. And you can see this other side, matte black. So these are available in different finishes. And as per the door sizes, we can have different sizes also.
Hello sir,
Hi Anshika, good evening.
how are you?
I'm absolutely fine. What about you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
Yeah, Daman this side. I'm looking after the premium appliances for Delhi NCR and UP West.
Is this the new launch?
Yeah, this is a new launch and is currently live in the market. We have a 28 liters of microwave, which is named as Enzo. And along with it, we have an oven, which is a fully steam oven by the name of Medora, which is a 81 liter of capacity and generates steam in within 3 minutes. Apart from this, this has 1.2 liter of tank, which can run up to 30 minutes of your savings. Apart from this, we have a slider function. You can toggle between the timing starting from 10 degrees Celsius up to 100 degrees Celsius. These two products are live in the market from Hafele Premium Appliances.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much.
Hello sir,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
My name is Sumit Kanchan. I'm the Senior Area Manager for Hafele India Private Limited.
What luxury product you guys are showcasing today?
So right now I'm showing you a wardrobe, and in the wardrobe I'm showing you a Clar profile along with a Clar hinge, and it has got a 40 kg weight carrying capacity, one of its kind, and this is my wardrobe. All the wardrobe contains lighting, the different sections, and with something which is hinged at the top and the bottom, so there is no protrusion in between.
Thank you so much for telling us about the product.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello sir,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm very good. How have you been?
I'm good too.
Yes.
May I know your name?
Anurag. I'm Anurag Gupta from Imperial Emporio, and we are a 62-year-old company, and we specifically deal in chandeliers and lighting products.
What product you guys are here showcasing? This is very interesting product that I can see.
Yeah, this is just one piece in the world, which is an art installation by Ilfari. And Ilfari is a very super niche brand from Netherlands, and they specialize in these modern crafted art pieces. So it's an art piece from a chandelier, and we are showcasing the chandelier here along with a few of the other designer brands from different parts of the world.
What are the specialities of this one?
So this is particularly called the Tears from the Moon, where the geometrical figure is all about spherical, and the spherical is the nature of the whole universe, where every planetary body or every star will eventually turn to a sphere for a reason. because it reflects everything in the even and the most synchronized way. And this particular chandelier is all about the mirror, and there's an old saying that the mirror never lies.
Is there any website or IG page that people can buy your product?
Yeah, so we are widely present. We have our own website by name of imperialemporio.com, and we are also there widely present on the social media on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook.
Okay, thank you so much for telling so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely having you here.
Hello sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
My name is Nayan Kimani. I'm the founder at Osan.
Nice. What is your brand all about?
So we're into manufacturing of all types of designer surfaces. We have a big range of designer tiles, stones, glass panels, and everything that you're looking at here at the exhibition, we're customizing.
This is an extremely beautiful
Thank you.
craftsmanship.
Yeah.
So can you please specify about this product?
So this is like a statement mandir piece that we've created for this show specifically. We've done this in Katappa black stone, which has been engraved with shloks, and the murti here is made in fiber, which actually is looking like metal, but it's in fiber to reduce the cost so that it's more affordable for all the type of customers. And apart from this god mural, we have a lot more options to offer. If you don't want the base to be black, we have a lot of color options as well. So everything basically is customizable, and like we've been getting a lot of good responses for this particular piece, because as soon as you see this, people are getting attracted to this. So
This is very beautiful.
thank you.
Thank you so much for telling us about it.
Thank you.
आज हमने आपको बेस्ट ब्रांड्स दिखाई लाइक वालिया स्टील क्राफ्ट, और काफ़ी फर्निशिंग ब्रांड्स दिखाई जिसमें हम आपको डिफरेंट टेक्सचर्स दिखाए, ग्लॉसी, मैट। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल। ऐसी बेस्ट बिजनेस वेन्यूज़ वीडियोस देखने के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।